Hello guys, today we will be unboxing and reviewing the GoPro Hero 13 Black. Now it's finally unboxing time. I will be unboxing the GoPro first, then the waterproof case. The box comes with many accessories, such as a sticker to attach the GoPro. These are the other boring 67 stuff that are in the box.
67!
Okay guys, I'm sorry for that. Let's continue. Now I will be unboxing the waterproof case. This box also comes with a lot of accessories, such as the screw and the attachment. The box also has a different back thingy to let you have easy access to the screen, and you also get the traditional underwater back part. The GoPro fits perfectly. Now I will be trying to attach the GoPro to the head mount. Okay, this is the end of the video. If you made it this far, please like and subscribe, as I am just a small creator and every little thing will help. Thank you. I will make another video reviewing and showing the specs of the GoPro, so stay tuned for